Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and initializing the radar. This is essential. First, ensure avionics and radar breakers are in, then place the master mode into air-to-air so the radar receives correct tasking. Once done, switch MFDs to the radar page and press the RDR key on the UFC to bring up radar functions. Make sure antenna elevation and PRF settings default. This primes the system so targets will appear when you begin sweep or track sequences. You now perform the core search and track flow. Select RWS for maximum situational awareness, TWS when you want multiple tracks managed, and SDT when you need a single precise lock for weapons. Then adjust range and PRF to match engagement geometry, longer ranges and medium PRF for BVR, shorter ranges and high PRF for close fights. Use the TDC to slew and cue the radar, and press Designate, or TMS, to acquire a selected bogey, so the system will maintain lock and generate intercept solutions. You complete engagement by confirming radar lock and moving to weapon employment. Once the radar shows SDT or missile lock, arm the missile, verify seeker parameters, and press pickle when cleared. For guns, align CSIP symbology and squeeze for timed bursts. Make sure to watch the radar ROI and the RWR for threats. If you lose a lock, immediately reevaluate mode and PRF, verify your steer point and TDC queuing, and check for ECM. If needed, cycle the radar power or reinitialize to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.